Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on Real Madrid good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of a Royal Match and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter the storage. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. And here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache.